So this question was from the AMC 2018 test for years 7 to 8. Question 22 worth 5 marks. So the numbers from 1 to 8 are entered into the 8 circles in this diagram with the number 3 placed as shown. In each triangle, the sum of the 3 numbers is the same. The sum of the 4 numbers which are at the corners of the central square is 20. What is x plus y? So we've already got the information. That this is 20. Now let's count the triangles here. So triangle 1 uses this side, this circle, this circle. Triangle 2 uses this circle, and this circle. Triangle 3 uses this circle, and this circle. Triangle 4 uses this circle, and this circle. As you can see, the corners of the square in the middle are used twice. So that means 20 times 2. Well, if you know your times tables, your addition, the numbers from 1 through 8, or added the sum is 36, which also includes the 20. So we just need to add another 20, which equals 56. Now, there's 4 triangles, so 4t equals 56. So 1t, which is just t, equals 14, because that's divided by 4. So we need to find what's x plus y. We can move on here, because we already know that each triangle adds up to 14. Now we can move on to here, and we can put in the information that we already know. 20, 14, 14, 14, and 14. Now, where do we start? We start off with the triangle that we already know the most information of. So that's this triangle and this triangle. Up to you which one you want to start with. I'm going to start with this triangle. So, 14 minus 3 equals 11. 11 minus y is this circle here. We're just removing these numbers and variables from here. Same with here. 14 minus 3 equals 11. 11 minus x equals 11 minus x at this stage. We'll move on here. So, here. We already know 3 out of the 4 corners here. 3 out of the 4 corners of this 20 square. So, we just need to find this corner. We can just use the same technique, subtracting all the other numbers and variables from this 20. So, 20 minus 11 minus y minus 11 minus x minus 3, which is equal to 20 minus, expanding the brackets, plus y minus 11 plus x minus 3. Simplifying it again, 20 plus y plus x minus 11 minus 3. Well, negative 11 minus 11 minus 3 equals negative 25. So 20 minus 25 is negative 5. So x plus y minus 5 would be our algebraic answer here for this circle. Moving on, using purple here, for here, because we already know 2 out of the 3 circles in this triangle, and we already know the total. So we can apply the same technique used. 14 minus 11 minus x minus x plus y minus 5 from here and from here. What is that equal to? Expanding the brackets, you get 14 minus 11 plus x minus y plus 5, which is also equal to, because you can cancel out this because it's plus plus. 14 minus 11 minus y minus 5. Plus 5 instead of minus 5. Which is equal to, because 14 minus 11 equals 3 minus y plus 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8 minus y. So this is 8 minus y. Now, getting this back, so this should be the same, very similar to this. As you can see, there's practically this line of symmetry here. There's this line of symmetry, which you can see here. So this line of symmetry. There's the green is split in half. There's one variable here, one variable here. There's one numeral here, one numeral split in half. There's one red here, there's one red here, and there's one purple here, and there's going to be one purple here. As you can see, they're practically opposite. 11 minus y is the opposite in a way of 11 minus x. They're just using different variables here. So we can apply the same thing. 8 minus x here. So now you can see that we've actually found out all the circles here. All the circles. And we got the available digits 1 through to 8. There's no 0 and there's no 9. So starting off with here, we can do a sort of process of elimination in a way. Starting off with 8. 8 minus, so this is 8 minus y. 8 minus 8 equals 0. There's no 0 here. So 8 cannot go into y. To prove my point even further, 11 minus y, so 11 minus 8 equals 3, which has already been used here, so it cannot be used. So 8 could not be used for the red ones and the purple ones. So the last thing that can be used for is the green one, the last unoccupied one. So this is 8. Well, you can see that we actually have x plus y here. So x plus y minus 5 equals 8. We can actually simplify that to just make it x plus y here. Just put the variables here. Minus 5 plus 5. X plus y equals 13. So that's our final answer. Let's see if this is an actual option here. Yes, 13 is an option. So x plus y equals 13.